Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView with MT5. This process typically involves using a third-party bridge or an intermediary service. We'll cover the general steps to link your charting platform to your execution platform, allowing you to trade directly from TradingView. Understanding this connection can significantly streamline your trading workflow and enhance your strategy implementation. Connecting TradingView to MT5 usually requires specialized bridging software or custom scripts. These tools act as a translator, sending your TradingView alerts and orders directly to your MT5 platform for execution. It's crucial to select a reliable solution and ensure your broker supports the necessary API connections for seamless integration. We'll explore common options available. To set up the connection, first install your chosen bridging software. Next, configure the API keys or account details within the software to link your TradingView and MT5 accounts securely. Finally, create alerts in TradingView that trigger orders in MT5, ensuring your trading strategy is automated. Always follow the specific instructions provided by your chosen tool. When connecting TradingView to MT5, consider potential latency, which can affect order execution speed. Always thoroughly test your setup with a demo account before live trading to ensure everything functions correctly. Pay close attention to security settings and data privacy, as you are linking two critical trading platforms. Regular monitoring is also highly recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.